Do you calculate percentage of total like this? Equal to this amount divided by total amount, enter, equal to this amount divided by total amount, enter. If you are calculating percentage of total like this, immediately stop that because you have got a better way. The better way is select this sales data here, then the quick analysis toolbar appears. Click on the quick analysis toolbar, then go to totals. Then you have percentage of total here, but don't click on it because it calculates percentage in the bottom row, but you want to get percentage in the column on the right side. So click on this arrow here, then click on this one here, percentage of total, where the percentage amount is displayed in the column. Click on it and you have got the percentage of total in all these cells. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.